Who got the series? Oh my god,
I did. Your password username is spelled Sarah. S-A-R-A.
Okay.
S-A-R-A.
My name is
Okay, is everybody
Yeah. Jordan, are y'all allowed to do notes on your iPad?
Go look at Sarah.
Share like your name.
No, I'm not.
Okay. So if everybody is logged into the server, we're gonna go ahead and get started. If somebody walks in, don't panic.
Rachel, I don't want to put you on my computer.
That's a problem. You can grab the computer or just pull it out the flash drive.
Why do you think I
There's buddy on this.
Oh yeah, I got the origins. I couldn't even read it.
Anybody need pencils or notes or anything like that?
Nope.
I give you a do you need a pencil or?
No.
Oh, okay.
Are you sure you have a meeting? People see things
We'll
wrong.
pass out later.
No. A meeting. I thought it's like a parent meeting.
Yeah, but we all.
Yes. Shame on you.
Okay, is everybody good? Is anybody not good? Alright. So, welcome back. Congrats on making it through the first time. So we're going to be learning Emacs today. Does anyone happen to know what Emacs is? And have any?
Is it an emulator?
Not exactly.
Okay. I've heard of it.
It's an editor, which sounds kind of the same. So it's just a text editor. It's one commonly used in Linux. And like anything else with Linux, it has a cult following and was created a long, long time ago. So the whole point of Emacs is so you can keep both your hands on the keyboard. So it has a whole bunch of control this, control that, which you'll see on your little cheat sheets. And it has all sorts of functionality above and beyond what I'm going to be teaching you, because it actually has this its own programming language and a whole bunch of macros and stuff like that. So if we get a chance, I'll show you a little bit, but we're just starting with the basics. And VI is another example of a text editor used in Linux. It's run like any other program, so it's just Emacs and then whatever you want to be editing. You can also just run it without any arguments and it'll just start with Emacs. Okay? Everybody good? Okay. So just the very basics in Emacs, Control F to go forward, Control B. Any ideas?
Back.
Good job. P. Previous. And then Control N.
Next.
Yeah. So that's right, left, up, and down, all using the Control key. And so that's why I actually remapped my caps lock to my Control key. So if you see on my laptop, that's why I've got tape on one side. And then actually I use this laptop to teach people in Chap Research. And so I taped a napkin to the arrow keys so that they wouldn't use them. I did not decide to do it for this seminar, so just count yourself lucky. Alright, we good? So at the bottom of the Emacs window, you'll see this bar. And if you haven't saved something yet, these asterisks will come up here. But if you do want to save it, it's Control X, Control S. Control X accesses extended commands. And then Control X, Control C. Any idea what that would do?
Closes it.
It closes actually. And then Control X, Control F. That will open another file. That's not subtle. And then Control G will abort whatever you're currently doing. So that's important if you accidentally hit a command that is used to do something else. And all the commands will show up at the very bottom here. And finally, Control question mark is undo. So it has something of a steep learning curve, but it's incredibly useful as you start to develop the muscle memory for it, just to code super, super fast. Okay? Alright, so open up your laptops, find your HTML document, and then go ahead and start editing it. You can put whatever you want into it, but the idea is just to navigate to it from the browser and see something different is happening. Okay? And everybody good? Oh, yeah.
I wasn't here last time, so.
Yeah, you